6A. Explain the Christian view on plastic surgery in Kenya today. Christian approved plastic surgery when used to restore stroke, improve deformity stroke treatment. It is not recommended for beauty stroke cosmetic reasons since that goes against flawed design. Plastic surgery is like self-glorification, thus it is discouraged. God is more interested in one's soul than a beautiful body. Plastic surgery takes the place of God, who is the creator of challenges, God of the creator. The intention of plastic surgery in most cases is to create celebrities who become object of worship. Risk involved when performing plastic surgery can lead to deformity stroke death. It shows lack of appreciation of oneself. 2 points, 5 points to the each was 1 point was 2 marks. Describe 4 ways through which science and technology has negatively affected the environment created by God. Use of chemicals has led to pollution of water, soil, emission of smoke from industries, nuclear chemicals, factories lead to pollution of the air. Felling trees has led to desertification, drying up of rivers. Manufacturing of plastic material has led to environmental degradation. Science and technology has led to the overutilization of natural resources like fish, wildlife. Quarrying, mining has led to environmental degradation. The last one, 6C. How can the youth in church carry out environmental restoration in Kenya today? The youth should sensitize people on the importance of protecting the environment, the
theater performance in the environment.
Yes. They should teach on methods of environmental conservation. They need to form church organization, clubs, society aimed at environmental conservation. The youth should condemn environmental exploitation, degradation. They should raise funds to support environmental conservation programs. They should take part in the environmental days for planting of trees, cleaning occasions. They should lobby the government to enact laws that are aimed at protecting the environment. They should act responsibly, be role models on the issue regarding the environment.